In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos to your PC. First, I will show you how to download your own video from YouTube. Go to the top right corner and click on the profile icon. Now, here click on YouTube Studio. After you go, you will be redirected to this page. Here go to the Content tab. Now click on this 3 dots. Here click on Download. Like that, it will be downloading. Downloading other people's video is a little bit complicated process. To do that, go to the video that you need to download. Go to the video. In today's video, I'm going to now here click on this download button. Then it will show this menu. You need YouTube Premium to download high-quality videos. But you can also download low-quality version of that video without Premium. After downloading, you can come back and watch your favorite YouTube videos offline. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.